close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Vandaag gaat Dylan en ik onze tabletop Christmas tree opzetten. Like that. This is what, 2 feet pre-lit tabletop tree. Het heeft alles erop. Is included the bells, the decoration, this little star. That's what it says. It's included pre-lit with 15 colored lights, includes 6 hours on, 18 hours off timer, battery operated, includes stand and decoration, 10 balls, 1 tree topper, and 1 tinsel. En zoiets heb ik gekocht bij Aldi voor $6.99. So we're gonna put it up in our room, and yeah, let's do this, right? High five. Say let's do it. Yay! Decorated by Dylan. By the way, this is his first time. Hij heeft het voor het eerst gedaan. Toen was hij nog klein. Vorig jaar, hij was like 1 year old. Now he's like, oh! Show mama the final look. Final look. Ready? Ta-da-ta-ta! Get battery first, okay? Okay? Yes? Oh, by the way, that's on the piano. Dylan loved the piano. He speelt altijd piano. Show me something. Show mama something. What can you play? Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Whee! Oh, what fun! Na 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 na. Hey! Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun! Na 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 na. Yay! Play Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Yay! You love it? You love it? Okay. Yes?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get back to the tree, okay? So we hebben batterij gevonden. Double A's. Hoeveel hebben we nodig? 4, right? Of yeah, the Christmas tree is pretty cheap, right? Aldi heeft their own aisle with holiday stuff, Christmas stuff, with all the fun stuff. And I don't know, ik hou van Christmas. Ik ben geboren op tweede kerstdag. And I love Christmas. I just love this vibe, this holiday vibe. It just gives me like a good mood. So let's turn on the tree. Turn on the lights. Okay? So let's put on the batteries. Look, it comes like this. We moeten gewoon batterij in doen. 4 of the double A's. One more? Where's the 4? Oh, 3 only. Final look. Wow, look. Are you ready? Look. 1, 2. You ready? Look at the light. It's gonna turn on. Look at the tree. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Wow, that's nice. Wow, you like it? Oh my goodness. What Christmas tree. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Uh-oh. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Hey! Oh, na 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 na. I don't know the song. Na 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 na. Wait! Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Hey! La 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 la. Yay! Oh! Alright, so that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Do this, Dylan. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Dylan decorates the Christmas tree, right? Yeah. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Till next time. Blow kisses. Mwah. Bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you like. And till the next video. Bye.
Bye.